to Addy's Toy Reviews. And today we have noms, one nom open, 2 Fashems, 2 Monster High, and 2 Pony Fashems boxes. Okay, first I'm going to open noms. These are so hard.
Are those series 1 or series 2?
Series 1.
Yes, so they're just the lip gloss.
Yeah, and you can even get,
The stamps are the series 2, right?
yeah,
Yes.
these are series 1s. Who needs, oh my
Whoa.
God.
Do you need some scissors? Oh, you got it.
Oh, this one's so cute.
Aw, that is so cute.
I'll open it. Let's see if we
Go.
have a special edition, which is an ice cream smell.
Hold it up. And it is Candy Puffs.
And it's
Hold
candy
up,
puffs.
hold her up so
And
we can
it's
see.
candy puffs. And it's an ice cream smell.
Ooh, and
it's
the
a
lip
special-
gloss is,
I don't see.
and the lip gloss one is a pina colada.
And we have a pina colada. And we have a
Lip
special
balm.
edition. I can't believe that. Put that up there.
That is cool.
Okay, let's open this up.
If you like eating a gelato, you can call me.
Oh, it has a little bow in his hair. And cupcake.
Aw, that one's so cute.
Okay, let's see what color it is. It smells good. Smell it.
Let me smell. Oh, that smells so good. You could almost eat it.
Yeah. Okay, let's try this out. Oh, no, my finger.
And she got the special edition Candy Puffs with the pina colada lip balm. That
Hey,
smells
put it over-
like pineapple.
Put it up to my fans right here. Okay, next I'm gonna
You gotta
open
turn
some
it
Fashems. Ah!
Oh, those are so cute. I just love the nums.
Got it. I don't
Oh,
get
this
it.
is what Fashems.
Okay.
This is My Little Pony Fashems.
These are My Little Pony Fashems, and it feels like and it sounds like a chocolate. Oh, we have Pinkie Pie,
Aww, I love Pinkie Pie.
and
She's so squishy.
Give her a squeeze.
Oh, she is so
Squeeze,
cute.
squeeze. She's very squishy.
I love her.
And here's our kitty mark. She's so cute. Oh, she has holes.
Oh, that's cool.
I didn't know she had holes in there.
What color eyes does she have?
Blue, which is a rainbow dasher's eyes.
Can you sit right here and face it towards us so we can see it?
Just that.
Oh, she's
They
so
don't stand really
pretty.
well.
And she's so squishy, and I just love her hair.
And it's pink.
Oh, she doesn't stand very well.
Yeah, I told you.
She's got her one hoof up.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Come on, Applejack. Wait.
Do we got another My Little Pony
Cute
Fashions?
Applejack.
Can you get Applejack?
Oh, we
Oh, a duplicate.
have a duplicate.
Oh man, we'll have to save that one for your sister
Okay.
and trade her. Dad, can you get her one,
Oh, ah!
a different
She
one?
doesn't stand.
Can you open it?
Yeah, I know how.
Yeah, her one hoof
Oh.
is up, which makes it hard for her to keep her balance.
Yeah, we can lay down if she wants.
I just love these nums.
Wait, you don't
They
get
are
a- you don't-
so cute.
You can actually wait. The first ones you can get Twilight, Apple Bloom, Pinky, Rainbow, and Scootaloo, Scootaloo.
Oh, I hope you get Apple Bloom.
She's so cute. You put the little flow in her hair. Ah! What's the whole back?
Okay, let's see which one you get.
It's Scootaloo.
Scootaloo. Oh.
It's Rainbow Dash's sister.
Oh, isn't she cute?
Give her a squeeze.
A
Oh
big
my
squeeze.
God.
What color are her eyes?
Ah, pink.
Pink. Oh, does she have a cutie mark or not yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. She's still little and she hasn't got her cute mark yet.
And she has her little wings. See what she looks like.
Oh, and she has little baby wings. How cute.
And look at her hair.
Wow, that is so cool.
Here. Oh, she stands.
She stands a little better than Pinkie Pie, doesn't she?
What is it?
Which is this one again?
Scootaloo.
Scootaloo.
Time for
Rainbow
Freddy's.
Rainbow Dash's sister.
Time for Freddy's. Give that
Yeah,
after
give a
this.
good tip.
Give that after this.
$5.
Okay, that's a good one.
Okay, and we got a 5 Nights of Freddy blind box.
And I'll show which one to put. Put it up to the top. And I'll put a bag in it. Oh, this one feels like balloon boy. Oh, it feels like the cupcake.
Oh, I hope it's Balloon Boy, because that's the one I've been wanting.
Okay. Everybody, let's see what we got. I like so good.
Which one is it?
Oh, boy!
Is it Balloon Boy? That's my favorite. That's the one I've been wanting.
Balloon boy!
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Got balloon boy. with
That's
his
the
little-
one I've been wanting.
His balloon looks like a little lollipop.
It does.
Lollipop.
Oh, and his head moves,
But
but his arms don't.
No.
Oh my
But the
gosh.
Don't.
I have been wanting him so much.
Okay, time for
That is my
another one.
favorite. I'm so happy.
Time for another one. Please don't be a duplicate.
Yes, please. We got the animatronic one,
And I hope we
and we
get,
got the toy Freddy, and we got the.
I hope we get puppet.
You want the puppet?
No, I want.
I thought you wanted Cheek It.
Hope it's Foxy.
You hope it's Foxy?
Yeah, he's my favorite one. Okay, let's see what this one feels like. This one's big.
My favorite. Balloon
Look,
Boy.
Balloon Boy.
Balloon Boy.
His
My
balloon
favorite.
looks like a lollipop.
Wow.
That's my favorite.
Like,
And
what's
we
this
have
one?
Freddy.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
we got, well, at least we didn't get a duplicate Freddy. That's the only Freddy we were missing. The real Freddy, the one that comes alive at night. The mean one. The mean Freddy. Oh, that is so cool. So we have all the Freddys and we have a Balloon Boy now.
Okay.
Uh-oh, Freddy fell down.
You don't stand. Time for some monsters.
All right, and we got a few Monster High dolls.
Monster High dolls.
I guess they're called Monster High Minis.
Called Monster High minis.
And we have Ari, and we have Cleo de Nile already.
Yep. And I want to get Cleo de Nile. So hard. Ah! Monster High fell. I got it.
Don't look like it.
I think you need some help getting that plastic
I need
off.
some scissors. Something. Got it.
We'll do Daddy's trusty knife.
Pocket knife.
Okay. Trusty knife, but you can call it that still. Don't got it. Like that little.
I'm just so happy we didn't get duplicates on 5 Nights of Freddy.
Yeah, we have to duplicate from My Little Pony.
Yeah.
Oh, we have Frankie.
Aw, Frankie. I just
Frank-
love her.
Frankie Stein.
Frankie
I
Stein.
know how
And
to
here's
do
our
it.
other 2 5 Nights of Freddy blind box that we already opened, the Golden Freddy and the animatronic Freddy.
I got
And
it.
we have the toy Freddy too, but that one's put up. So that's pretty cool. And I was really hoping for the balloon boy, so we got him. But Addy wants Foxy.
Yes,
So we still gotta get a couple more and see if we can get Foxy.
She has thunders in her eyes.
Oh, lightning bolts?
She has green and blue eyes, but no mouth.
I love how her
She
eyes
has
are two different colors.
She has stitches.
Oh, on her cheek. Put her right here.
Put her right here where the num is.
Oh, she is so pretty.
I'll take that.
I just love Frankenstein.
Let's move everything to the side.
Yeah, push all that to the side.
Okay, we need the box with the box.
Let's hope we don't get a duplicate.
Today we got Frankie!
Oh, we got a duplicate. Okay, give that one to
My sister.
your sister.
And okay, get the box knife.
And get the locker it goes with.
Hey, it's already put. I don't need pocket knife too. Those are already.
And each Monster High Mini comes with its own locker. And they are all connect. And there's little Frankenstein.
Connect them.
Frankenstein. And she sits in her little locker like that. And it's so cute. Uh-oh, we knocked over Scootaloo. Oh, there went Pinky. Okay, something new. Let's do Claudine. I'm hoping for Claudine.
And we got
Another Frankenstein? Oh my God. 3 Frankies? Boy, she must be really popular. What a bummer. Okay. You gotta end it.
Bye guys.
Say, hope you enjoyed the show.
Hope you enjoyed the show.
And all the blind bags.
All the blind bags and boxes.